Hey guys.
Alam mo kung ano dala ko?
Ano?
Blower ko.
Yan, tama.
And I
yan.
forgot my AirPods.
Good morning!
I forgot my AirPods.
It's 7:26.
For God's sake.
Nandito kami sa airport. Sunday lang si Kuya Maki. Tapos diretso kami Zambaby! Diretso kami sa Zambales. Ayan! Tumutulog! Uy, Kuya, please engage daw to pee. There's something. Ayun na.
Pero mo ko ng wipes mo.
Nandito po, sa ilalim.
Pinapanalangin.
Sunday namin si Kuya. 7:55 yung baba ng plane. Okay, type natin.
I think they'll be arriving earlier.
7:33 sila arrive. 7:22. Huh? Landed na din? Ay, it's landed na.
Okay.
There.
May tayo bumaba.
Landed. He's here. Anyway.
She's a murderer! Gosh, she's killing it!
Hindi
Oh
yun
my God, what happened with my Crocs? Nagkaroon ng kaskas. Bro, seriously.
We're waiting. Ay, hindi pala ako kita. Dito pala. Hi! Hi guys! Wow. Nantala kami si Kuya. Yun. Landed na siya.
Ah, dear God.
Hi!
How was your flight? Kamusta flight? Bakit bumalik yun ng Denver?
Kasi nagka-hydraulic issue yung aeroplano and then umikot na kami.
Right.
So nasa ano na kami nun eh, Wyoming.
Yo guys! Stop over. Ah, lawat po. The food is here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you.
Tita pa.
Get your pack out.
Thank you so much. Yum. Hello guys. Tapos na mag-eat. Ito. Hey. Ay, yung balikbayan namin. Rock and roll. Kami balik lang.
Balik lang. Kulang yung balik. Balik bayad din.
Balikbayan din pala. Takala pala yung balik. Rock and roll. Ay ko, makatulog ko na to.
Sa'yo.
Ay, it's so dirty. It's traffic. Hey guys, update. It's currently 11:34. So, I think we're almost halfway the travel. And as you can see, open yung taas. So, sunroof to. Gusto ko umakyat. Gusto ko umakyat! What if you open?
Ha?
What if you open? No, hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Oh, come
Ayun,
on.
yan yung button. Yan. Palikod. Yun siya. Wanda yan. Oh. Yan. So, lalabas tayo dun. guys. Na kami sa hotel. Ayan. It's currently... Ano kang ginagawa ni Kuya Mac? 3:22. Papahinga muna kami. Pagod na ako. Hello. Hey guys, good morning. It's 8:22 and we're gonna go to inflatable islands in a while. So I'm gonna change. So, ito yung magiging sample. And also, I have here some sunscreen. So I'm gonna put it later now, but I'm just gonna be changing. So yesterday was a bit unproductive and we just talked all through the night. So hindi kami magsiswim. So yeah, I'm gonna take you once I'm already changed. Hi guys. Ayan. Ito yung fit. So this is from Shein. Tapos Old Navy. So nasira yung zipper ng bodysuit. I mean yung like hanggang dito from bench. Nasira yung zipper. So I don't have anything to use aside from this fit. So ayun. Hayaan mo na. It is what it is. So hey guys! Ay, wait lang, wala yung mic ko. Ha? Oh my... Ano ko yata dala yung book ko? Oh my god! Nasira! Yung mic ko. Hey guys! Ay! Yung bag!
Nakalak yung concept.
Yan. Sige na. Pasok po kami sa inflatable island. Roar! Wait up! There we go!
Talaga bang hindi yung 100 island dyan?
Thank you po. Hi guys! So, sa loob na kami. Sa loob na kami!
Paano nang lumit yung inflatable island?
Lumit nga. We're in inflatable island as of the moment. And it's very
Init.
init. Wait, that's it. Ayan siya. Ito sila. Ito lang, tataba na kami dito. Those are those. Yung slide na yon. Nag-slide kami before ni Kuya Mac. Hindi ako naririnig. Nag-slide kami before ni Kuya Mac dyan, tapos iniwan niya ako. Chapat. Slay!
Feeling wrestler yan eh.
Oo.
Ang lit-lit niya.
dalag-dalagan kadami yung Manila, no? They're still working on it, maybe.
Sabi niya po nagkulang daw.
Lumiit po siya dito.
Parang yung dun sa sa website nila.
Kasi,
I thought there's like more than this one.
oh,
Ayun, nahulog na siya.
nag-swim na siya. Baba naman ang
Oo,
pinagsiswim.
wala naman yung swimming mo kuya.
Oo nga, oh.
Pinagod mo lang sarili mo.
Yo. Tignan nyo yung itim ko. Itandan ko. Diretso. Oh. Parang highlighter, oh. Nakawalang... Hi, guys. Grabe yung buhok ko. Ayoko talaga nagbe-beach. Ito may buhok ko.
Gaspang?
Sobrang buhagag pag yung beach hair. Yung hirap pag curl.
Nakapag-picture ba kayo nila, Jenny?
May picture kami kasama si Lola niya. Nasa Meet Plus kami.
Tapos may-
Hindi natatanggal. Kaya naman kasi ito, utak. Meet Plus, our childhood restaurant here in Subic. Anyways.
And get another free 2 gigabytes. Okay.
Grabe to niyo.
32, 37, 27.
30k na nila yan.
37.
Ubus pa.
27.
Next one, pag ditipid na. Hindi babot yung kuya.
Oh my God! All this time, pwede siyang ganyan.
Bakit dalawa?
Para pag kunwari may reporting, ganyan, dalawa kayo, pwede. Pero siya may
Paano?
pag sinaksak, tapos parehas in-open. Here's your food. Hot sauce yata.
Maki, use brain.
Oh my God! Termat. Roar!
Approve pa kayo na pinapakain.
Siyempre. Hello guys! Pauwi na kami! Roar!
Thank you!
Thank you po sa libre! Yeah! Yeah. Kami kumain. It's our childhood restaurant. Yeah. So, doon kami nagsa-sightseeing ng damit.
Close na siya.